How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege on PS4 and PC. Today we are diving into the latest update on how to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege on PS4 and PC. Let's jump right in. Rainbow Six Siege has entered a new era, smashing barriers and bringing players together across platforms with the introduction of crossplay. This feature opens up thrilling matchups between PC, PlayStation, and Xbox players, creating a more interconnected gaming community. So what crossplay options are available? Rainbow Six Siege offers crossplay functionality between Xbox and PlayStation consoles, as well as between PC and Amazon Luna. That means you can team up with friends on different consoles or even those playing on Luna's cloud gaming service. Activating crossplay is a breeze. Simply open Rainbow Six Siege, navigate to the options menu, and check your crossplay status displayed at the end of the menu. Once confirmed, you are ready to start crossplaying. Now here's the catch. While Rainbow Six Siege supports crossplay between PC, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One and Xbox Series, the dream hits a sag when it comes to PS4 and PC compatibility. Unfortunately, matchmaking between these platforms isn't supported as of now. But fear not, while there is no immediate solution, keep an eye on Ubisoft announcements could bring hope for future crossplay between PS4 and PC in Rainbow Six Siege. Until then, enjoy the game with friends on the same platform or explore other crossplay options available. And there you have it. We hope this video has clarified the current crossplay landscape in Rainbow Six Siege. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming content.